Well, we made it to Fort Worden State Park, and it is smoky. First wildfire smoke we've had of the year. That's where we parked. And we're gonna walk on the beach to that lighthouse. I thought that was a dog. Is that it? Or is he pulling something? It is a dog. Oh my gosh. Swimming. That is funny. So that dog in the video I just got swims every day, the lady said. 13 years old. Never seen a dog swim that much. Smoke. I've never seen smoke this bad here before. Alright, we made it to the point, and yeah, the smoke is thick over there, straight ahead. Look at this little structure somebody made. It's like the outline of a boat. Pretty neat. Smoke is horrible. Tugboat out there. Oh, he's pulling a barge. Alright, we're gonna go up on land here. Not sure if you can walk around this point or not, but we're gonna go to the other side. I think there's a Coast Guard station. That's where we came from, way down by that dock where the marine science building thing is. Closed right now. Wow, look at the cliff there. I didn't realize there's houses way up there on that. Pretty neat. This is the U.S. Coast Guard Point Wilson Lighthouse. It says it's open. Activated 1879. Wow. That's a long time ago. 150 years almost. Wow. Definitely is less smoky on this side. Look how clear it is out that way. I think we're gonna walk that way. Another dog beaver swimming. Oh my gosh, look at the cliffs at Whidbey Island. It's like the cliffs of Dover. Alright, we're gonna head down there. This must be their drainage pipes, stormwater or something. So they want $2 to go inside there. I don't need to go inside there. It's kind of dumpy looking. Most of the lighthouse stuff like this is in a lot better condition in Washington. This park doesn't get a lot of love for some reason. I don't know why. It's very busy. But at least we're finally walking around it. We've never done this before. We usually would just drive here and leave for some reason. We're like, oh, let's just go to town. Oh my gosh, are those... Oh, I thought it was something in the water, but I think it's just seaweed. But that's Whidbey Island over there, the cliffs. Fishing boats. We found a path. That's the lighthouse. Yeah, I do not like walking in sand. Makes me tired. It's a manzanita tree, I believe. I like them. We don't have any on our property. Breeze feels awesome. So we made it to a gun battery. Ah, a big one over here. All right, watch out for this fall. This is the Thomas Vickers, it says. It's too bad they took the guns off of all these. Be neat if they were still here. Wow, this is a big one. Jeez. Pretty neat. There's the campground now. It was full. I think there's two campgrounds. One's up in the trees and one's by the beach here. It's a long way down. Smoke is horrible. Wow. We're gonna take the steps down. But here's one last look. This one is definitely different than the other ones we've seen. Huh, let's go look inside these doors. Oh, I think these are little elevators to bring the ammo up. Wow. Creepy. Creepy, creepy, creepy. So we're on the first level now. We're gonna take a peek in here. Wow, it's like a maze. Oh my gosh, no idea where that hallway goes. Come back this way. Yeah, you need a flashlight down here. It is dark. Creepy. Wow. Look at all the graffiti. Alright, we're gonna get out of here. This is built in 1909, 1910. Kinsey. So here's the trail we were trying to take. It's closed due to tree fall and slide. But I went to the Artillery Hill, Batteries and Trails. So we're gonna go eat at the truck and then drive up there and walk around. Has nice paved paths at the top. Here's the campsite. It's not too bad. Got a decent restroom. All right, we're eating lunch. Smoke is getting bad. You can see it on top of the cooler. But this is my sandwich. So we're in the shade. It's really nice right here. Actually have a breeze right by the truck.